Walker here with the new CS 7310. This one I'm going to get out to a faller, and we're going to try it out against the 572 and MS 462. Got my custom leather flap on the side, and I was just cutting with it. You can see how it's directing the sawdust awesomely out that chute there. Got the muffler mod to it. My two square pieces on the side with screens, because the luggers here have to have the screens before it's safe. Done some porting to it to a special number. Done the squish quite a bit. They're quite detuned from the factory. So let's just see how it goes. Don't hit any buttons. What do you think of that? Not too bad. Pulls as good as the 372 and the Still. Don't have them both here right now, but I can feel the difference. I think it's pretty nice, so we'll see how it goes. Keep your saw on the wood, stick on the ice, rubber on the road. Check out the walkersawshop.com online store. Have a great day.